Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Today we will discuss that how to find out the logarithm of a given number. Logarithm of a given number consists of two parts, characteristic and mantissa. Characteristic, digit before the decimal point is called characteristic, and digit after the decimal point they are called as mantissa. Now, for example, if we have to find the logarithm of a number, that is 763.5, for that we have to find two values, the value of characteristic as well as the value of mantissa. Now, to find out the characteristic, first write down this value in scientific notation. Now to write this in the form of scientific notation, we move the decimal point just after the first non-zero digit, that is 7. So it becomes 7.635 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 2. Now the power in the scientific notation is called the characteristic of the given value. So characteristic is equals to 2. To find out the mantissa of the value, you will find out a table called logarithm table. This is the table which you will use to find out the logarithm or mantissa of the given number. Now in this table, several columns are given in which you have to find out the value of the mantissa. For finding the value of 763.5 in the logarithm table, you will ignore the decimal point and concentrate on the values. Combine the first two values so it becomes 76. In your logarithm table, go in the first column and when you reach to the number 76, the next digit is in your case 3. So look for 76 in the same row and which is headed by 3. The value, check for the value is 8825. Note down this value, this is 8825. Now again the next number is 5. So check the value of 76 in the difference column which is under 5. The value is 3. Add this value to the previous value of mantissa, so it becomes 8828. Now to write the logarithm of a given number, the method is characteristic, then decimal point, and then the value of mantissa. So it becomes 2.8828. Logarithm of 763.5 is equals to 2.8828.